Hello, Coach K community! You only need 5 minutes, mini weights, roll out that mat, and let's get that core on fire. Let's go ahead and start with your warm-up. You're gonna take the weights into your hands. You're gonna go ahead and lay all the way down onto your back here. Once you're on your back, you're gonna start with the weights, reaching straight up towards that ceiling. You're going to lift your heels, dig your toes into the mat. Slow and controlled, you're gonna lower those arms down towards your hip. Slow and controlled, reach those arms up. For 5. In a 4. When the hands go down towards those hips, we're gonna add a little crunch there. 2 more. 1 more. Now let's add. As the arms go down, lift your head, neck, and shoulders, come up into a crunch, and lay back down. For 5. Reach those arms, crunch up, lay back down. Inhale as you lay down, exhale as you crunch up. 2 more. Last one here. Pause at the top. Now, same thing, but we're gonna lift our toes off and come up to a tabletop. So follow along. Reach the arms, crunch up, pause. Lift your feet up to a tabletop. Touch your toes back down. Reset those arms up. So you swoop the arms down, crunch, legs come to a tabletop. Touch the toes down, reset those arms up. For 9. Scoop from those lower abs. Breathe through it. Make sure you're not holding that breath. We're also taking this very slow and controlled. Not using momentum here. We're not swinging those legs up to a tabletop. We're making sure it's slow. Breathe. Reach up. Touch. Bring it on through. Now you want to make sure as we continue this, that you're not crunching into your neck. The tension is only in the core and a little bit in those quads, especially as you go to lift those legs up. Resist down. 3 more here. Going for 3. You got 2. And 1 more here. Swoop down, reach up, touch down, bring it on up. Nice job. Go ahead, carefully, you're gonna sit all the way up for me. You just need one of your weights here. So you're gonna take the other one off to the side. We're going to sit up nice and tall. Feet are gonna go flat onto the mat. You're gonna turn your weight horizontal. Hold both sides of that weight. Reach those arms out in front. Relax the shoulders and that neck. Take a nice big inhale, exhale. You're gonna hinge back to the point that you keep that C curve in that spine, and scoop and come all the way up. And again, hinge it on back. Scoop with that center core, come up. Just 3 more of these. Go in for 3. Go in 2. And 1 more here. Bring it all the way up. Now you're going to hinge, swoop the weight down to the left. Bring it all the way up. And again, hinge, swoop to the left. Bring it on up. Slightly rotate that torso to the left as well, and then swoop it back on up. Breathing through it. 5 more on this side. Then we're gonna go right away to the right side. 4, 3, 2, last one here. You go right away back up to the center, right away to the right side. Hinge, swoop to the right. Pick it back on up for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, go in 5, in 4. You're gonna lay all the way down. In 3, going 2, last one here. Bring it on in. Roll slowly all the way down to a flat back. Reach the weight up towards that ceiling. Extend both of those legs out. So this is an advanced finisher. I'll demo first, and then we'll get you guys flowing, and I'll give you a modification. So what you're going to do, first you're going to tuck your chin. Slowly lift your head, neck, and shoulders. You're gonna start to peel off your spine. Slowly lift those legs up to a V shape with your body. Slow and controlled, you're gonna lower all the way back down. 3, 2, 1. Scoop. Lift the head, neck, and shoulders. Lift those legs. Reach up and out. And slow and control, lay back on down. Modification, for those of you doing the straight legs, keep going there for me. For those of you that want to modify, you're going to keep your feet down. Crunch up. Lay back down there for me. Whichever challenge you are taking today, this is your final fight here. Breathe through it. Keep fighting. Make sure that you don't just plop your heels down. You want to make sure that it's a slow and controlled resistance back down. What's going to happen is in 5, you're going to hold it up at the top for a quick 10-second hold. In 4, go in 3, we got 2, and on this last one, whether you're up or feet flat, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it on out. Go ahead and place that weight off to the side. You're gonna go ahead and roll onto your stomach here. Hands are gonna go right next to your chest. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale, press away from that mat. And feel that stretch in those abs. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it on in. You can be kneeling, you can stay seated. What we're going to do is bring those hands to the stomach. Relax those shoulders, close those eyes. Let's take in that nice big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. And again, one more time, taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all of that air. And exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. I know today was a quick and effective core workout. Since we have those weights out, I'm gonna go ahead and link an upper body workout here for you guys so you can keep working out with me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.